There's plenty of yard work to go around this time of year, so you probably have gasoline stored somewhere around your home, maybe improperly. Hi, this is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to store gas safely right after this. Mold on your siding, moss on your roof, mildew on your deck. The easiest way to get rid of it all is with Wet and Forget Outdoor. There's no scrubbing, no rinsing, and no pressure washing. Just spray and leave. Wet and Forget Outdoor is non-caustic and safe for any outdoor surface. Just spray and you're done with Wet and Forget Outdoor. Get Wet and Forget Outdoor at participating Ace, Walmart, and Lowe's home improvement stores, or visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. Homeowners depend on small engines to do a lot of jobs around the house, so storing gasoline is a necessity, but it's something that should be done with great care. Gasoline is one of the most flammable and dangerous liquids around. Its vapors are completely invisible, very heavy, and can travel from room to room without anyone knowing. That's why you should never store gasoline in your basement or inside your home. Always keep gasoline cool, completely sealed in an approved safety container and out of the reach of children. A garage will work, but an outside storage building is even better. Approved containers should already be labeled gasoline, but if you also store a gas oil mixture, which some lawn and garden tools require, you should note that on the can with a permanent marker. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.